Let's talk about one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance, compound interest. Over 55% of Americans believe they are behind when it comes to saving for retirement. One of the largest financial firms in the USA, Fidelity, recommends individuals attempt to have saved at least 1 times their salary by age 30, 3 times their salary by 40, and 10 times their salary by age 67. So, if you make $75,000 a year, you should aim to have at least $750,000 saved for retirement by age 67. The problem is that the average retirement savings for someone older than 65 is only $280,000. For most Americans, saving $750,000 for retirement seems like an unachievable goal. But what if I told you, saving $1 million can be achieved through the power of compound interest? You're probably asking yourself, what is compound interest and how can I use it? Let's start by defining it. Compound interest is the interest that is earned on the principal amount invested, as well as on all the accumulated interest over time. In other words, you earn interest not only on the money you invest but also on the interest that your investment earns. This means that your money grows exponentially over time, and the longer you leave it untouched, the greater the effect of compounding will be. There's a reason Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. To better understand the power of compound interest, let's look at an example. Suppose you invest $5,000 that earns an annual return of 10%. After 1 year, you will have earned $500 in interest, bringing your total investment to $5,500. If you leave the money untouched, and gain a 10% rate of return the following year, you will earn $550 in interest, bringing your total investment to $6,050. Over time, your investment will continue to compound and grow exponentially. If you were to leave your money invested for 10 years, you would eventually have $12,969, assuming you earned a 10% rate of return every year. This is a pretty great scenario, considering you started with only $5,000 and never added any more money. Investing for the long term is one of the best ways to take advantage of compound interest. The longer you leave your money invested, the more time it has to grow, and the greater the compounding effect will be. This means that even small investments made early on can grow to a significant amount over time. For example, investing $180 per month in a retirement account from the age of 25 can grow to over $1 million by the age of 65, assuming a return of 10% annually. Yes, you heard that right, over $1 million. This is the power of compound interest in action. By starting early and investing consistently over time, you can achieve your financial goals by the time you retire. But what if you're already in your 30s or 40s? Is it too late to start investing for the long term? The answer is no. While starting early is ideal, it's never too late to start investing. The important thing is to start now and invest consistently. Investing for the long term is a powerful way to take advantage of compound interest. By starting early and investing consistently over time, even small amounts of money can grow to a significant amount over time. So, whether you're just starting out or you're further along in your journey, start investing today and take the first step towards a more secure financial future. Let us know what your retirement goal is in the comments section below. And don't forget to check out the description section for resources and links to the article sources used to create this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.